Welcome, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, what is the worth of 250 million tokens of Tectonic in the year 2025? We are talking about before the ending of 2025. How much can 250 million tokens of Tectonic return to holders now, and how much do you need right now to purchase 250 million tokens? But please kindly note, our golden rule here is never invest what you cannot afford to lose. That is to say, you can even invest low amount, just invest what you can afford to lose. Now, our predictions are based on expert price prediction. We gather data, we gather research from different crypto experts around the world, from Asia, America, and Europe, and we look at the predictions that are almost the same, and we further work on these predictions before we now talk about these predictions. Now, according to experts, you need about $44 at the time of recording this video in order to buy 250 million tokens of Tectonic. Now, in 2025, these 250 million tokens is expected to be worth about $312. That is to say, they believe Tectonic will increase between 450 to 520% by the end of 2025. Okay, though this is not much compared to some of the crypto coins we normally analyze on our channel. Now, Tectonic can still increase more than this because it depends on how the developers really work on Tectonic. Okay, now Crypto.com have listed Tectonic, and Tectonic even hosted under Crypto.com, and also Hotbit have listed Tectonic. But we believe if many other exchanges can list this Tectonic coin, believe it, Tectonic is going to be a boom. Now, in 2025, of course, if you're holding 250 million coins of Tectonic, you might be making about 500% of your investment, and you can still make more if everything work out well for Tectonic token. Well, 500% is not that bad. I mean, instead of keep your money in the bank, but please remember, this video is not a fine exchange. I'll just leave the coin till 2025, 3 years, 4 or 5 years to come. I always like investing little on some coins that really have a lot of zeros, and then I'll just forget about them. Then if those coins are doing well, I will now use another exchange and now invest more higher money with the coin in order to cash out within 1 week, 1 month or 2 months. That to say that account, I don't need to leave it for a longer period of time. Okay, but that's the account. There are some accounts I normally buy crypto coins. I will leave them for the next, in fact, I'm leaving them for the next 5 years or 10 years to come. Okay, because I believe with patience you can really make a lot of money with crypto. Now, one thing you need to understand, that people who invest in crypto and the people and traders, that these are two different people. Some people actually trade crypto, and some people actually invest in crypto in order just to make some money within a single day. Daily traders or weekly traders or monthly traders. But why some people aren't always buy crypto coins in order to lead them for a longer period of time? Now, when you take a look at Dogecoin, okay, Dogecoin was actually trading with almost 40 or 50 about 6 years ago, and today Dogecoin is now trading with cents. And Dogecoin almost hit over 20 cents. That was last year. That is a lot of money. Okay, that is a lot of money. And when you take a look at Shiba Inu also, Shiba Inu was trading with over 10 zeros, and today Shiba Inu is actually trading with 4 zeros. People became millionaires with Shiba Inu. In fact, someone who invested just $20 on Shiba Inu earlier in 2020 would have made over $13 million. That's the truth with Shiba Inu. I mean, $20 in 2020, and by now, that was last year, November, you will have made over $13 million. That is the importance of investing in crypto coins when they are actually trading at the lowest price. But remember, you just need to invest what you can really afford to lose. Okay, once again, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.